Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to stop holding on. You may have given your love, your time, your care, and your heart to someone or something and still felt left behind. You may be wondering why things changed, why people walked away, or why something you deeply wanted did not stay. But please understand this gently. Letting go does not mean you are lost. Sometimes letting go is the first step toward receiving what was truly meant for you. When something leaves your life, it can feel empty at first. It can feel like a part of you has been taken away. But not every ending is here to break you. Some endings are here to free you. Some people leave because they cannot go where your life is taking you. Some doors close because better ones are being prepared for you. In the next sections, we will move into long-form affirmations that will help you release the pain, calm your heart, and trust again. Let these words remind you that you are not forgotten. What is meant for your peace, your growth, and your happiness will find its way to you. Holding on can feel like love, but sometimes it quietly becomes pain. You keep thinking about what happened, what changed, and why things did not stay the way they once were. Your heart wants answers, but your mind keeps going back to the same memories again and again. And slowly, without even noticing, your peace begins to disappear. You may smile in front of others, but deep inside, you still feel tired from carrying what was never meant to be carried forever. This is the moment to breathe and remind yourself that you are allowed to release what hurts you. You are allowed to stop chasing what does not bring peace. You are allowed to stop proving your worth to people who could not see it clearly. Say this gently within yourself. I release the pain I have been holding. I let go of the memories that keep pulling me back. I am not weak for feeling deeply, but I am strong enough to choose peace now. I trust that my heart can heal. I trust that my life can feel light again. I no longer hold on to what keeps hurting me. I open my hands, I soften my heart, and I allow peace to return to me. Letting them go is not a sign that you stopped caring. It is a sign that you are finally choosing yourself. For so long, you may have tried to understand them, wait for them, forgive them, and make space for them in your heart. But sometimes, the more you hold on, the more you forget your own value. You start asking why you were not enough, why they changed, or why they could not love you the way you deserved. But your worth was never meant to be decided by someone's actions. You do not need to beg for love. You do not need to chase someone to prove your heart. You do not need to lose yourself just to keep someone close. Say this gently to yourself, I choose my peace now. I choose my self-respect now. I am worthy of love that feels safe, honest, and kind. I release the need to chase anyone who cannot meet me with the same care. I respect my heart. I respect my energy. I respect my journey. I let them go with peace, and I return to myself with love. What is meant for me will not require me to forget my own worth. When something leaves your life, it may feel like a loss in the beginning, It may feel like a door has closed, a dream has ended, or a person has taken a piece of your heart with them. But sometimes, what leaves is not being taken away to punish you. Sometimes it is being removed because it no longer matches the peace, growth, and love that you are meant to receive. The empty space you feel right now is not the end of your story. It may be the quiet beginning of something better. You may not see the reason today, but one day you may look back and understand why certain things had to go. Say this gently within yourself. I trust that what leaves my life is making space for what is better for me. I do not need to hold on to what is hurting my heart. I believe that life is guiding me toward peace, love, and new blessings. I release what no longer feels right for my soul. I open myself to better people, better chances, and better days. I am not empty. I am being prepared. I am not losing everything. I am making room for what truly belongs to me. The universe does not always restore what you lost in the same way you lost it. Sometimes it does not bring back the same person, the same place, or the same dream. Sometimes it brings back your peace. It brings back your smile. It brings back your strength. It brings back the version of you that was hidden under pain, waiting, and disappointment. What you lost may have hurt you deeply, but it did not take away your future. It did not take away your worth. It did not take away the blessings that are still meant to find you. There are things being arranged for you that you cannot see yet. There are people, moments, and opportunities that are slowly moving toward your life. Say this gently within yourself. I trust that everything I lost will be restored in the way that is best for me. I believe that life is bringing back my peace, my joy, my confidence, and my hope. I do not need to force what is no longer flowing. I allow better things to come at the right time. I am open to blessings I have not imagined yet. I am safe. I am guided. I am being restored in beautiful ways. Sometimes the pain becomes heavier because you keep trying to understand everything at once. You want to know why it happened, why they left, why things changed, and when life will finally feel good again. But some answers do not come when the heart is still tired. Some answers arrive slowly when you stop forcing, stop chasing, and allow life to show you what was really meant for you. You do not have to control every outcome. You do not have to keep checking, waiting, wondering, or trying to fix what is already out of your hands. Peace begins when you stop fighting with what you cannot change. Say this gently within yourself. I release the need to control what is not in my hands. I trust that life is working for me, even when I cannot see the full picture. I stop forcing people, situations, and timing. I allow what is meant for me to come naturally. I am patient with my healing. I am patient with my journey. I believe that the right things will not pass me by. I surrender the fear. I release the pressure. And I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. Healing after loss takes time, and you do not have to rush your heart. Some days you may feel strong, And some days the same memory may come back and make you feel weak again. But that does not mean you are going backward. It only means your heart is still learning how to live without what it once held so closely. Missing someone, missing a dream, or missing the old version of your life does not make you broken. It only shows that you loved, you cared, and you gave something real. Be gentle with yourself in this season. You do not need to pretend that everything is fine. You only need to keep choosing healing, one breath at a time. Say this gently within yourself: I allow myself to heal slowly and honestly. I do not judge my heart for feeling pain. I am not broken because I am healing. I am becoming stronger, calmer, and wiser each day. I release the sadness that has been sitting inside me for too long. I give myself love where I once felt empty. I trust that my heart knows how to become whole again. I am healing, I am growing, and I am becoming the peaceful version of myself again. What is truly meant for you will not require you to lose yourself. It will not make you feel small, unwanted, confused, or always afraid of being left behind. Real love, real peace, and real blessings do not constantly disturb your heart. They do not force you to beg for attention, silence your feelings, or question your worth every day. When something is aligned with your life, it may still take effort, but it will not destroy your inner peace. You deserve connections that feel honest. You deserve love that feels safe. You deserve opportunities that respect your value and bring out the best in you. Say this gently within yourself: I no longer accept anything that makes me forget my worth. I am worthy of love that is calm, kind, and true. I am worthy of people who choose me with honesty and respect. I release every connection that makes me feel anxious, unseen, or not enough. I trust that what is meant for me will bring peace to my heart. I do not have to lose myself to be loved. I do not have to chase what belongs to me. I am ready to receive what feels safe, steady, and right for my soul. After you let go, life may feel quiet for a while. You may not see big changes right away, but slowly, something inside you begins to shift. Your heart starts feeling lighter. Your thoughts become softer. You stop waiting for what hurts you to come back and start noticing the peace that is growing within you. This is how life rebuilds you. Not always loudly, not always quickly, but gently, step by step, in ways you may not understand at first. What broke your heart did not break your future. What left your life did not take away your chance to be happy again. You are being rebuilt with more wisdom, more strength, and more love for yourself. Say this gently within yourself: I trust that my life is being rebuilt in a better way. I welcome new beginnings with an open heart. I release the fear that nothing good will come again. Better days are coming to me. Better people are finding me. Better opportunities are opening for me. I am becoming lighter, calmer, and stronger. What I lost is making space for what I truly deserve. My life is not falling apart. My life is coming together in a beautiful new way. As this message comes to a close, take one deep breath and remind yourself that you are safe to let go. You do not have to carry what keeps hurting you. You do not have to chase what has already shown you pain. You do not have to force anyone or anything to stay in your life. What is truly meant for you will come with peace, not confusion. It will come with respect, not fear. It will come in a way that helps your heart feel calm again. So release what is heavy. Release the old pain, the old questions, and the old version of you that kept waiting for things to change. Trust that life is still working for you. Trust that what you lost is not the end of your story. Something better can still find you. Peace can still return. Love can still return. Joy can still return. You are being restored in ways you cannot fully see yet. If these words brought peace to your heart, please like this video. Comment your affirmation below. Share it with someone who needs comfort today, and subscribe for more healing and empowering affirmations. Keep trusting, keep healing, and remember, what belongs to your soul will never miss you.